Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best handheld camera stabilizers that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Roxant Pro Video Camera Stabilizer. Hold your camera up high or down low. It won't make a difference to this handheld camera stabilizer. No matter where it is positioned, you should get great results all the time. In addition to that feature, you get a no-slip grip. This means that this stabilizer should remain in your hands and not slip at the wrong moment. Its weight limit is about 2 pounds. But it works with a wide range of cameras to help you get the shots you want. Also, you can use this device in tight situations, in cars and more. Your creative reach will be expanded by adding this top stabilizer to your stable of photographic equipment. Free video tutorials help you use this device correctly. At number 4. Hohem Smartphone Gimbal 3-Axis. Many people depend on their iPhone's camera feature to take great shots. Unfortunately, their hands are not always steady and stable. That is where this handheld camera stabilizer comes in. It holds your iPhone for you, reducing the bounce and shakes you get without it. This motorized stabilizer comes with a lot of top features, including CCD anti-shake, optical stabilization and motion speed auto adaptation, face and object tracking and more. Just press the right button to access the feature you want. Its ergonomic design helps keep your hand nice and comfortable even after long periods of time holding the stabilizer. You have to place your iPhone on this device before turning it on, or you may have trouble using the stabilizer and camera together. At number 3. Neewer Camera Video Movie Making Kit. Upgrade the quality of your film making by turning to this handheld camera stabilizer to help you. It works with a variety of camera models to make sure you do not have to buy a new camera to use it. On top of that, you can get very professional results when you steady your camera on this device. 1/4 inch mounting holes are included when you want to add more accessories to the stabilizer. This stabilizer can be held up high or down low. Where you hold it depends on your scene and filming sequence. A lift handle is included to make sure you do not put undue stress on your camera. Also, hand grips make holding this stabilizer flexible, easy and comfortable. A non-slip mat helps keep the camera still. At number 2. ULANZI U-Grip Pro Handheld Video Rig. With impact-absorbing ABS plastic construction materials, your camera should be safe from accidental bumps and drops. Then the U-Grip styling allows you to take a variety of creative positions when filming your next scene. In addition to that, you get an accessory that lets you attach your LED video light and mic at the same time. Catch all the action in low light conditions without missing a word of the plot. Finger slots on the handgrip provide a comfortable yet flexible place to hold this handheld camera stabilizer. Its universal nature allows you to attach a variety of cameras to this device. You can be flexible and use different cameras to get a different quality of shots. It is very easy to use as well. At number 1. 3-Axis Gimbal Stabilizer. This handheld camera stabilizer is not just for iPhones. It can be used with smartphones as well. Attaching your modern telephones will not be that difficult. 2 clamps hold them in place and they release their grip at a twist of the dial. When not in use, a very handy protective case protects your important piece of camera equipment. Operated by the battery, you just need to push the right buttons to get the features you want to use at the moment. LED battery indicator lights keep you informed of your battery's life expectancy. Time-lapse is just one of the features you can tap into when you use this handheld camera stabilizer in your photographic work. Read the manual to see how many more are at your disposal. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.